Okay, so you get good, you power it on, you put it on dot 3, you hold left on the D-pad, you push X to move over to dot 3, push Y to accept, push this and this to control how much recoil you pull yourself down. You come up here, you center yourself, you get all ready, and then when you see a car go by, you zoom out, you stupid, oh shit. Zoom out your phone here. You reconnect it, it saves from memory, so every time you want to reuse your get good, you can just power it back on. Isn't that just fucking handy for the cheapness wanting to be? Okay, we powered it on. See the green eyes. So now what you're gonna do in order to get your recoil set perfectly, you're gonna aim at some targets and you're just gonna pull the trigger, and once you can be hands free, you just gotta hold left on the D-pad here until it vibrates. Once it vibrates, you have to get back over to the right dot. Then you push right bumper to go down, left bumper to go up. So this will decrease. Now we're gonna do it again because it didn't work. It's going down too far. So let's try that again. Now we're pretty much flat. Let's try one more down. That should be perfect. Now we can laser beam without ever having to touch the controller. So now when we find an unsuspecting target, this is what you want to, this is the most important part. This is why people do that lean, because you don't have to, if you lean, you don't have to aim. That's why everybody does the lean. Let me show you. Instead of, say if I tried to go left to right, I could accidentally go down like that. Now, this is the most annoying part. I'm gonna zoom in here. Just trust me, it's the same controller. So, I'm gonna aim at this guy. Look at this. Center mass, hardly have to control anything. This just takes all the fun out of the game. And so you know what you do is you take this, you uncontroller, plug out this shit, you take this off the back here, mosey over, you grab the anti-cheat hardware here, bring it outside, try not to scare your dog, you put that there, and then you just beat the fuck out of that motherfucking cheat ass stupid shit, and it just wants to live. So you just have to really trust me when you say you gotta kill it with kindness. Really gotta be hard on this thing, and that should about fix it there, I think. Alright. There we go. That's what you want. Come back inside. And ditch that controller, that thing. You grab a controller, put a battery pack in it, power it on, confirm, come back in here, and while our buddy here, who doesn't know me, stays in spot, and holy shit, that's what holding down recoil really looks like. Now, we come down here, do a twirl, evade the bullets, peek, and now this is going to be natural recoil here. That's how you get good. In case you were wondering, this is how you get good right here. Now, I noticed the recoil is not bad. It's not terrible. But notice my thumb actually has to come down to make that pull down. And that's the important part, is you have good fun with friends. You don't fuck over the next guy. And yeah, you never use a fucking strike pack again, you piece of shit.